In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Microsoft Word. Changing font size is one of the quickest ways to improve readability and hierarchy in your document, and Word gives you a few simple options to do it. Before we change anything, decide whether you want to resize existing text or set the size for text you're about to type. If you're adjusting text that's already there, highlight it first by clicking and dragging over the words you want to change. You'll see the selection become shaded, confirming it's ready to be formatted. If nothing is highlighted, any font size you choose will apply to the text you type from that point onward. Now, look at the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, you'll see the font name and right next to it, the font size number. This number is the most direct way to set an exact size. Click that number once, and you can either type a new value or open the drop-down to pick a preset size. Word measures size in points. For everyday body text, 10 to 12 points is common. For headings, you might choose something larger like 14, 16, or 18 points, depending on your layout. After you choose a number, your highlighted text updates immediately so you can see the result right away. If you prefer to fine-tune instead of jumping to a specific value, Word also provides quick adjustment buttons next to the size box. The Increase Font Size button makes your selection a bit larger each click, and the Decrease Font Size button makes it smaller. These are handy when you're trying to match the look of surrounding text or nudge a headline to fit on one line. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Font size is different from zoom. Zoom only changes how big the page looks on your screen. It doesn't change how large the text will print or export. Font size actually changes the text itself. If your change doesn't seem to apply, double-check that you highlighted the correct text, or place your cursor inside a specific paragraph and try again. Also, be mindful of consistency. Using too many different sizes can make a document feel messy. Pick a size for body text and a couple of sizes for headings, and reuse them for a clean, professional look. That's it. Highlight the text you want to change, go to the Home tab, and adjust the font size number. Or use the quick increase and decrease buttons for small tweaks. With these options, you can format any document quickly and confidently.